G'day guys, there's no doubt about it that recovery has come in leaps and bounds in recent years. Now remember the old days when you'd have a winch and it had a steel cable on it. Now the cable is not only heavy, but it can be dangerous when it breaks. Now in recent years, that technology is changing, and this is where the Boss Shackle comes in. So CampBoss 4x4 have a set of Boss Shackles designed for use in recovery situations somewhere off the beaten track. Now the advantage of a soft shackle is there are no steel components. Now what it is, it's a simple and effective way of joining a kinetic rope or a snatch strap to your vehicle's recovery point. It's safe, it's lightweight, floats on water. What else do you want? Now the good thing about the Boss Shackle is it's lightweight. This thing weighs 195 grams, yet it's rated to 14 tonne. Having tested these out in the bush, there's no doubt about it, they are a practical piece of recovery equipment.